Chapter 3. Socialization. There has been and continues to be a considerable debate over whether nature or nurture most determines human behavior. Studies of feral, isolated, and institutionalized children indicate that although heredity certainly plays a role in human equation, it is society that makes people human. The Harlow studies of monkeys reared in isolation have reached similar results. They concluded that if isolated for longer than 6 months, the more difficult adjustment becomes. Babies do not naturally develop into human adults. Although their bodies may grow, human interaction is required for them to acquire the traits we consider normal for human beings. People are not born with intrinsic knowledge of themselves or others. Sigmund Freud believed that personality consists of 3 elements: the id, ego, and the superego. Emotions are not simply the result of biology. They also depend on socialization within a particular society. Most socialization is meant to turn us into conforming members of society. By expecting different behaviors from people because they are male or female, society nudges boys and girls in separate directions from an early age, and this foundation carries over into adulthood. Parents begin the process. Researchers have concluded that in our society, mothers reward their female children for being passive and dependent, and their male children for being active and independent. Parents, often unaware of what they're doing, send messages to their children about society's expectations for them as male or females. The neighborhood has an impact on children's development. Some neighborhoods are better places for children to grow up than other neighborhoods. Religion also plays a major role in the socialization of most Americans. With more mothers today working for wages, daycare is a significant agent of socialization. The workplace is a major agent of socialization for adults. We learn not only skills, but we also learn matching attitudes and values. Resocialization refers to the process of learning new norms, values, attitudes, and behavior. Resocialization is the most common form, occurs each time we learn something contrary to our previous experiences. It can be an intense experience, although it does not have to be.